a captivating aerial shot of a serene landscape. Success. It's not just a destination, but a journey. A journey that begins within. In life, we are faced with countless hurdles and setbacks. But it is through these challenges that we discover our true potential. Transition to a montage of famous personalities from various fields who have achieved great success. Look at those who have made their mark on the world. The pioneers, the innovators, the dreamers. They all had one thing in common, the unwavering belief in themselves. Cut to a shot of a person looking determined and focused. Success starts by believing in yourself. It's about having the courage to pursue your dreams, no matter how impossible they may seem. Transition to a sequence of individuals facing self-doubt and fear. But fear and self-doubt can be formidable adversaries. They can cloud our judgment and hold us back from reaching our true potential.